morning to one all present here. Today I, Achal of class 8C, is going to present an activity on combustion and flame. So let's start. So there are three conditions for combustion. The first is attaining ignition temperature. Ignition temperature refers to the lowest temperature at which a substance begins to burn. Second, a presence of a supporter, which is an oxygen, and presence of a combustible substance or a fuel, which is mostly a matchstick. Aim to show the importance of oxygen and a combustible substance during combustion. So for this we need a glass, colored water, a plate, a candle, and a combustible substance like matchstick. So first I will burn the candle. Now keep it on the plate. Now put some colored water. So the supporter here for the candle is the oxygen, but if we put this glass onto it, the oxygen will cut off and it will stop burning. So you can see the oxygen as it's cut off, the candle stops burning. So we can conclude that the supporter is necessary for combustion and a combustible substance like matchstick is also important for burning. Aim to differentiate between low and high ignition temperature. Apparatus, a combustible substance like matchstick, some water, 2 pieces of paper. Now one of them I will dip in the water. Now one I have a dry paper and one I have a wet paper. Now I will burn both of them and see which will take more time. So you can see I have burned the dry one. I will now burn the wet one. So we observe that the dry paper was burned much in an easier time, but it took more time than dry paper. So we can conclude that water here works as a cooling agent which lowers down the temperature of the paper. Thus we can say that low ignition temperature was of the dry paper and the high ignition temperature was of the wet one. Today, my aim is to show you that supporter is very necessary in a combustion. So for this activity, first apparatus is a matchstick, a candle, a spoon, 2 glasses with some water and Eno. First, I will burn a candle. Now see, the atmosphere around the water doesn't let the candle. Same here, the water does not burns it out, but if I put some Eno, there is no ENO, but here is some ENO present. Again I will burn the candle. Still it's burning as it is simple water. What do you observe? The candle is not burning now. So thus we conclude, when ENO is mixed with water, it produces carbon dioxide gas. Thus it removes the oxygen present in the atmosphere and the candle burns out.